Hey everyone, this is Greg over at DIY RV and Home. Making the best of our camp trip up here at Sage Hen Reservoir. Previous video I talked about what happened to the pickup truck and who's going to be rescuing us. But right now, thought I'd show you something that I made a couple years ago to help beat the heat at times. Got it laid up right here. Here's all the pieces to it. What it is, it's a mister system. You can buy these misters from your hardware store or online or whatever. I'll have a link to them in the description. And you can hook them up to a faucet and run them to help cool stuff down. Well, the problem is that out here in the boondock, we don't have water to waste like that, or we don't have any source to power that through a faucet. So what I did is I actually made a system to do that. And what it is I just took a weed sprayer jug, brand new, never used except for this. And what I did is took a wand off and I adapted a air fitting to it. Now on this air fitting, you can take the end off and remove the innards. You need to do that so the water will flow through it and work properly. I had an old microphone stand laying around. That's what I used for my tripod for it. I'll show you how that is in a minute. A couple pieces of PVC pipe caps where I drilled holes spaced evenly on them, and I took the tips off and put them on here. And then you can see my funky system for actually powering this, sitting this onto the mic stand. There is a cap in there, a plug in there, so it doesn't shoot out the bottom, but the water will come up and is dispersed through. I'll show you the setup on this. Put an air fitting right there, and then I'll show you it working. So, like I said, I had a microphone stand I was able to use. So then what I normally do is just run that down just like that, and then these are just pressed in. I'm going to put them down. So they're just pressed in. So then the next thing I do, see if we can't get a good shot of this, is I take this over a little bit. We just plug it in. I've already got water in it. Now once it charges, water gets up there, you'll start seeing we're starting to get mist out of these, and you can aim them. You go ahead and set that in a direction so it's upwind, so you can hear it going as it comes out the ends. It'll kind of blow towards you, help cool you off during the summertime. We've used this a couple times like this. It's worked great. Now I kept the cord or the hose for it, so I could use it, you know, at the house or whatever. But I also made an adapter that I can hook onto this and plug into that, and I'm going to do that in a second. I'm going to convert it over to that. I'm going to hang it up on our awning, and so we can have a little mist right there. Help kind of cool that area. You know, we're just after noon, the sun's still going to be beaming down on us, so let me get this tore down. I'll swap it over and I'll show you installing it that way. And the reason I have it where I can break it down is I have a bag I can put it in, store it in the trailer, takes up a little bit of room. And you can see it's fairly easy to swap over. I was going to buy a second one and just make a permanent one the other way, but the amount of times that we've used it or had to convert it over, it's not worth it for me. I've only this will be the second time I've actually converted it back over. So there we go. Let me reposition the camera and I'll show you installing and getting it going. Alright, so what I did is I took another air fitting, took a 3/8 to, quarter to 3/8 adapter, 3/8 to hose bib to make the fitting. What I'm going to do is attach it right onto the end of that. So there we are. And now I can plug that into that right there, and pump it up, and now we've got the breeze coming through. It's misting, and I can definitely feel a change in temperature right off the bat. So there it is. Pretty neat way to be able to cool a little bit more while you're camping. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you on the next one.